guys, it's moto day. We got this little thing. We got a nice little Losi motocross thingy-mabobber thing. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. We've never played with anything like this on the channel.
It was a two-wheeler day, so we pulled up on our two-wheelers.
And it has two wheels. Two wheels.
Byron, I think we killed it.
You killed the motorcycle man!
Byron,
what are you doing?
We're not even going to get to play with our two wheels.
What? You brought four!
Oh, no! Nothing. Okay.
Some people's kids, am I right?
Hold on.
That's good.
He's not gonna be here.
I don't want to get canceled. We got to cancel that out what I just said.
All right, no problem.
All
right, guys. Today we got the Losi Promoto, the realistic looking bike. Look at, he even has a name on here, so we know our next victim.
He's a little unzipped there, but
Yep.
he's got a little road rash.
I had to make sure bros doesn't have broken collarbone and everything before we do this.
Oh.
Anyway, guys, I'm very excited to try out this realistic motorcycle RC. It already has 1,000 different little thingy-majoos that it can do. And if you want to learn more about that, you can go to the links down below in our description, because I don't have time to explain how this works because I don't even know how it works. But we're going to plug this sucker up and we're going to go make some wheelies and some jumps and hope this dude doesn't get a concussion and sue us for CTE. What do you think about that, Byron?
Can we cut it up later?
It might have to meet the oscillating saw if it sucks.
Listen to that. That doesn't sound right.
That's
Those
so
bearings
weird.
are already bad.
You put the battery in his butt back here?
Why is there so much mud under there? Have you already played with this?
No. It has a real chain too.
Yeah.
The chain chains.
You don't want to get your finger caught right there, though. That'll hurt.
Yeah, and it even came with chain lube, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, let's get this thing fired up and ready to go, guys.
We got to get rid of the green.
Yeah, we got to make it a Yamaha.
We
We're
got to go
not
to blue.
Kawasaki fans around here.
Kawasaki.
I already sold my last Kawasaki. I'm tired of it. But you have to start it at a stop position like this. You can't in the air because the gyro doesn't know where it's at.
Where am I at? You know that this is for the front.
I know, but yeah, but I did it on the back last time, and so you could just drive out of it. Into the car. What are you doing, bro? He's already knocked out. There he goes. Oh, Melbourne! Barely. Oh, yeah, he got sticked up.
That thing is screaming.
Don't pick him up like that. He doesn't like that. You'll run over dog poop.
That's okay. It's not mine.
Oh, that is such a good shot.
What's up, guys? This is our brand new giveaway car. This is the limited edition Snap-on van. This is based off of the Fortec chassis, and look at this realism. This is a big thank you to hitting 30,000 subscribers. We would not be here without you guys. What you can do to win this thing is go to lifeofballin.com now, and every $5 equals 10 entries. We also came out with a whole new merch line that you guys need to go check out. It's based off of our Snap Off collection. It is a shelf queen. It has not been Byron driven. It has not been Brett driven. It is going to be your baby, your choice to do whatever you want with it. So you can go win this thing right now on lifeofballin.com. Go check out the brand new merch and get yourself entered to win. Thank you very much.
Yeah, rip it. Culvert. He is. Bro is out. Oh! That thing is so cool. You got it, you got it, you got it. Trust in yourself. Oh, that's so cool. He's giggling. This is why I love this thing. It puts so much smile on my face, dude. And yours too. Yeah, get it. This is the funniest RC car ever.
Okay, well, it wasn't worth the $100 we got for it.
Yeah, we basically got this for a great price. What do you think about it so far, Byron?
Trash. We need to sell it. We're not going to financially recover from buying this thing.
But you've been giggling the whole time. I think it's worth it.
Because it's funny. The dude's on.
I love this thing so much. It's so fun, honestly.
Okay, we got to get another one.
If we gotta get another
That way
one.
we can both have one.
Yeah, I'm about to say, dude, this is so
So
fun.
when are you going to go buy yours?
I don't know, man. As soon as there's another good deal, we can get them one for 150. Oh, he did a little endo there. Yeah. Just like the just like the rally car, he about jumped the road there. And this is just 2S.
Yep. Who needs 3S?
Oh, what a good wreck. And it just tumbles so easy. Oh, tree. Oh, Byron's dying. The little buddy that could. Oh, nice wheelie there. I think he hit the culvert. Oh, this thing is so fun.
It's the worst machine in the world.
That's why you've been giggling the whole time.
Because it's funny. It's like... You hear him screaming?
Yeah. Yeah, because you're picking him up like that.
Yeah. He's like a cat.
Oh.
That's what gets me. That's what I think.
The little jiggle. Yeah, get out of it. Oh, so. Boink. That was a tree shot. I feel like this thing is pretty durable for what it is. I mean, I don't.
It starts a little screwed up.
Oh yeah.
He does drive it.
Oh! I barely got that.
Oh, the front wheel's gone.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, Byron hit the culvert straight up. Oh, I think you're good though. He's good. Bro, did you oh, he broke his arm. You broke his arm. No, his arm is broke. How he's still riding? It left a mark right there.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, this is the exhaust. Oh my God. Yeah. And you broke his shoulder, or his shoulder's out of place. Oh my God. Did it just die? It lasted 14 minutes on a battery. Well, it lasted a whole battery of Byron, but you dislocated his shoulder. I feel so bad for little dude. Well, that was a lot of fun. What do you have to say to him, Byron?
How long did we play with it for?
The video is 16 minutes.
That's kind of sad.
Yeah, battery doesn't last that long.
Don't worry, guys. We're going to show you more film of it off-road. Stay tuned.
Okay, guys, now we have this little dude, and we're going to take him out to our playground. We're going to have some sand, some different obstacles to play around in. Let's see how well it does.
He survived the running over with the Banshee and Raptor?
He did. He also survived Byron playing with him.
What kind of sick... What is going through your mind, John?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
John.
It just sounds like poor fella to me. Doesn't it sound like it's about to blow up?
Well, I don't know why I got into wheelie mode. It really pissed me off.
There we go. I think I'm in wheelie mode now.
You're in backflip mode, bro. Oh!
Oh no, already my staples didn't hold. This guy's fun out here though.
Let him out. Get out of there. I think you only got like a centimeter in, bro. Oh. Hey, I think that front tire looked like it was flying apart. I think you got a blown tire. I'll tell you, that dude is on some meth.
Let's try him out on the sand hill with the regular tires. It does pretty good in the sand one, just stop. Till it gets a little bit too far over.
All right, Diggs. He worked his way out. All right. Without paddle tires.
Oh, no problem.
Did you see they dropped the new Supermoto? No.
Oh.
Kind of car. Instead of a dirt bike.
All right, so far, I really enjoyed out here just on a stock. But as you can tell, I mean, I might not be the best driver at it because it just keeps tilting over. But here you go, Byron, you try it out now.
Okay.
But he does get up and go. But then that's just the problem. He just falls over and then it's like,
Yeah.
I don't know what to do. We got to go back to your jump over here that you did with the Fury. Definitely a fun spot out here to play with him though. Whee! Oh, he's good, he's good. He didn't break his neck this time. Yeah! Oh! He's drunk. He's drunk. I'm watching out, don't worry. Don't worry about me. Yeah. No! The little side things just dig in if he gets just a little bit too tipped over. Oh, he's rolled all the way down the hill. Oh, that was a good one too.
Good.
That was a really good one.
I let out a little bit whenever I was going over the hill.
Yeah.
Oh! He wanted to go forward.
Let it right on his front wheel.
Yep.
Oh, nice. That was a little transition to a wheelie there, wasn't it? This is fun on 2S. This is the best 2S car. Oh, what's going on? Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, you broke it. No. What broke? Oh.
Oh, and it died, I think.
The battery died or?
Yeah, it did.
What'd you break? Oh, look, it's in the tree. It's in the tree. Oh, man. I guess we gotta go buy this plastics for it. How could you ever do this to him? First you break his collarbone and now this. All right, guys, I deeply enjoy the Promoto. I honestly think it's one of the best RC cars out right now. I mean, Byron's giggling the whole time driving it. I'm doing about
funny.
the same. And just watching it go is one of the best things ever.
Can you do that again?
So, hope you guys enjoyed watching how realistic this thing is. Honestly, one of the best ones out. And don't worry, guys, we got something for you next time. We're gonna be putting it on a paddle tire here. And we're gonna be seeing how well this thing does on some paddles and our sand hill. But stay tuned, that's the next video. Thank y'all.
guys, welcome to my vlog. It's moto day. We're gonna be playing with two-wheelers and stuff. I don't know.
No, Brett, shoot it like this. And stop.
And stuff. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna have so much fun.
I gotta go flip my wieners.
All right.